morning students. Today we will be doing unit 3 algebra, and that we will be doing determinants and partial fraction. So today we are going to learn determinants. Okay, so let me share my presentation with you. Okay, determinants. So you have done this determinants in your school's 10th standard, but you have done only 2 by 2 determinants. So in this we will be doing 2 by 2 as well as 3 by 3 determinants. Okay, this is a definition of determinants. The arrangement of numbers in equal number of rows and columns enclosed between two bars is called determinant. This is 2 by 2 determinant. Determinant A, this notation is determinant A. It is equal to, this is first row, this is second row. AB is called first row, CD is called second row. Then while expanding this determinant, what you have to do is cross multiply. A into D you have to do. It is AD minus B into C. This is the definition of 2 by 2 determinant, which you already know. Now let us see 3 by 3 determinant. In 3 by 3 determinant, you will be having 3 rows as well as 3 columns. So A1, A2, A3 is the first row. Okay, so what we will do is, while expanding this determinant, we expand this along first row, that is A1, A2 and A3. While doing this, what we do, if we are taking A1, we write it is equal to A1 into, so A1 into what you have to do, just see, you have to hide this first row and first column where A1 is there. A1 is there in first row and first column. So we will hide that. So what we can see is B2, B3, C2, A3. Okay, so we do A1 into B2, B3, C2, C3 determinant, that is 2 by 2 determinant. Then for second element we write minus sign. It is minus A2 into what? Now first row you have to hide and second column you have to hide. What you get is B1, B3, C1, C3. That is again 2 by 2 determinant. Plus A3. Now A3 is in third column. So you have to hide first row and third column. What you can see is B1, B2, C1, C2. Okay, so it is B1, B2, C1, C2. Now you have to expand it using 2 by 2 determinants. So it is A1 into what you have to do, cross multiply B2, C3 minus B3, C2 minus A2 into B1, C3 minus C1, B3 plus A3 into B1, C2 minus B2, C1. Okay, now we will see some examples. This is simple 2 by 2 determinant, 1, 3, 2, minus 5. How to expand? It is 1 into minus 5 minus 2 into 3. So it is minus 5 minus 6. What is answer? Minus 11. Okay, let us see second example, that is 3 by 3 determinant, 1, 4, 5, 2, 3, 2, 0, minus 1, 4. So what I have told how to expand, we are expanding it along the first row. So first element is 1, we have written 1. What we have to hide? First row, first column. What we will get? 3, 2, minus 1, 4. Okay, then second entry is minus, so I have to say minus 4. If this sign is original minus, we will get minus of minus, so it will become plus. So now the sign is plus, what we are saying? Minus 4 into, which row you have to hide? First row, second column, you will get 2, 2, 0, 4. So that determinant I have written. Then plus 5, 5 into what? Again hide first row, last column, 2, 3, 0, minus 1. Okay, so now this is 2 by 2 determinant expansion. So what you will get is 1 into 3 into 4 minus 2 into minus 1. Minus 4 into 2 into 4 minus 2 into 0 plus 5 into 2 into minus 1 minus 3 into 0. Okay. So that is equal to, this is 12 plus 2 minus 4, 8 in 8 minus 0 plus 5 minus 2 minus 0 is equal to 14 minus 32 minus 10. Just simplify it, the answer is minus 19. So now, those who are not comfortable with calculations, they can use calculators. Only their first expansion row is important. If they just write that correctly and if they use calculator without any problem, they will get the answer. Okay. So we will do more examples. Evaluate the following. This is trigonometric example of determinant sine cos minus cos sine. So again, what is the definition? AD minus BC. So what is AD? Sine theta into sine theta, that is sine square theta, minus cos theta into minus cos theta, that is minus cos square theta. So it will become sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is the trigonometric identity, fundamental identity. So using that we get the result 1. This is second example, simple, 2 by 2 only. So it is 20 minus 12. The answer is plus 32. This is again one more example of 2 by 2. It is minus 7 minus 6. The answer is minus 30. This is one more trigonometric, sec theta into sec theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Again, this is Pythagorean identity. Okay, so we will now do 3 by 3 determinant example. It is 3 minus 5, 1, 1, 3 minus 5, minus 5, 1, 3. So we have to expand this determinant. We expand it along first row. So we write first element as it is into, now which row we have to hide? First row, first column. Remaining 2 by 2 determinant I have directly solved and I have written it is 9 minus minus 5. Okay, then second sign is minus 5. So it will become plus 5 into 3 minus 25. Now you just see properly because there are many minus signs, so people do mistake. What you have to do is AD, we have written 1 into 3, 3, then minus sign, this minus into minus will become plus and that determinant minus sign, so sign will be minus over here. It is 3 minus 25. Then plus 1 into this determinant, so it is 1 minus minus 15. So that is 12 plus 110 plus 16, that is 114. Okay. One more example. 2, 0 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 4, 5 minus 3, 4. Expanded. So 2 into what? 12. Again 2 minus sign, so it will become plus and 1 determinant minus sign, so it is minus 12. Minus 0 into 4 minus minus plus, so minus minus 20 I have written, and plus minus 1 into minus 3 minus 15. So it is 12 minus 12, 0, 2 into 0. Please remember it is 0. Many of the students by mistake write it is 2. So please remember any number into 0 is 0. Now minus 0 into anything, again that will be 0. So only last thing we have to evaluate. So it is minus 18 and minus sign, so it is plus 18. So what is your answer? The answer is plus 18. This is one more example. I am not explaining. You can check at home. Okay. So now this is just simple expansion of determinants. Now we will be doing solving determinants, in the sense finding the value of x using determinant. So some equation is given in terms of determinants. So you have to simplify your left hand side, right hand side is 0, and if you simplify you will get your answer. So what is expansion of this 2 by 2 determinant? It is x into 6, so it is 6x minus minus, it will become plus 12 equal to 0. Take the 12 on other side. If you take the number on other side, its sign will get changed, so it will be 6x is equal to minus 12, so x will be equal to minus 2. This is very simple. Again, one more example of 2 by 2 determinant only. So what is given? X minus 1, 3, 5, 4 is equal to 3. What you have to do is, many of the students write equal to signs first. So when the question is evaluate, remember you have to write equal to sign. But if the question is solved, if the equation is given, please don't write equal to sign. You have to start with the given thing and then say therefore, and equal to sign will be in between. There should not be two equal to signs on one line. Please remember. So we are expanding what it is. X minus 1 into 4. So it will become 4x minus 4. Then minus 2 into 6. That 2 into 3, that will be 6. So it is 4x minus 4 minus 6 equal to 3. So it is 4x minus 10 is equal to 3. That 10 you have to take on that side. It will become plus. So it will become 4x equal to 13. X will be equal to 13 by 4. Okay. So now we will be doing more examples on the same. Now this is 2 by 2 only, but the equation will be quadratic equation. So here the difference is, this is quadratic, and one more difference is the other side is also determinant, not the number. So we have to expand both the sides. We have to say therefore sign, and then we have to solve that equation. Okay. So this is my given. Now I will expand left side. It is x square into 1. So x square minus x into 5. So it will become plus 5x. Then 7 into minus 3 minus 21 minus minus plus 15. Okay. So if I expand x square plus 5x, this will become minus 6. If I take on left side, it will become plus 6. So now this is quadratic equation. Those who know how to solve quadratic equation, they have learned it in schools. They can do using their own method, or else on calculator you can solve this quadratic equation by feeding the coefficients of x square, x and constant. Calculator will definitely give you correct answer. So the answer is, expansion is x plus 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. X will be minus 3 or x will be minus 2. So this between step you will not get if you use calculator. If you feed the coefficients directly, you will get your answer. Okay, so we will see some more examples. This is one more. X 4x is equal to minus 4x 2. So again this is simple linear equation. X into x becomes x square minus 4 is equal to minus 4x minus 4. So what you have to do is take everything on left side. Minus 4 will get cancelled out. It will be x square plus 4x is equal to 0. Now if I take x common, you get x plus 4 is equal to 0, and you will get the answer x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 4. Now many of the students, what they do is they say x square is equal to minus 4x. They cancel x and they get only one answer as x is equal to minus 4, which is only partially correct, not fully correct. If you are having quadratic equation, then definitely you must get two roots of that equation. So what is root? X is equal to 0 is one root, or x is equal to minus 4 is the another root. So for this equation there are two solutions, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 4. Please remember. Okay, one more example. Now I have written 3 by 3 determinant, and this side it is equal to 0. It is not difficult. Instead of number you are having x, but the expansion method remains the same. So what you have to do, along the first row you have to expand 0 into x minus 10 into 8, that is 80, x minus 80, minus 7 into 11 minus 40, plus 2 into 88 minus 4x is equal to 0. Now 0 into anything is 0. This is 11 minus 40 minus 29, minus plus, so it is 7 into minus 29 plus. Now please remember, whenever there is number and x thing, you cannot add or subtract. So we will separately multiply 88 by 2 and 4x by 2. So it will become plus 170x minus 8x is equal to 0. So 7 into minus 29 is minus 203, plus 176 minus 8x is equal to 0. Now these two are numbers. You have to write those together. Please remember, number and x will not get added or subtracted. You have to keep x separate and numbers you can add together. If there are more than 3x terms, then those you can add or subtract together. If there are x square terms, then x square terms you cannot add with x. Please remember, number terms, x square terms you have to keep separate. So it is minus 27, 8x I have taken on that side, it will become equal to 8x. So x will be equal to minus 27 by 8. Okay. This is one more example. Here we are having 1, 2x and 4x squares in the first row. So it is looking a little difficult, but if you expand it properly, it is not that difficult. So first row expansion 1 into 4 minus 16. Then second element minus 2x into 1 minus 16 plus 4x square into 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. Then this is minus 12. Again this is minus 15 into minus 2x will become plus 30x. And this will be minus 3 into 4x square. So minus 12x square. So as the x square sign is minus, what we have done is we multiplied this full equation by minus 1. As we are having equal to 0 on that side, it doesn't matter if we change the sign. If it is evaluate, then please don't change the sign. But it is solve equation, so you can easily do the operation on both sides. The answer will not change. So we are changing the sign and we are writing 12x square minus 30x plus 12 equal to 0. Taking 6 common, you will get 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Now this expansion of minus 5x is minus 4x minus x. Take 2x common, x minus 2 minus 1, x minus 2 equal to 0. So it is 2x minus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0. You will get x is equal to 2 or x is equal to half. Okay, now many people will find the in between steps little difficult. Now what I have told is you are allowed to use calculator. So if you are not comfortable with solving quadratic equation, what you can do is you can feed these coefficients on calculator and you will directly get the answer as x is equal to 2 or x is equal to half. Thank you.